To go along with my Taco Tuesday taco bake, I am making a Mexican corn cake. Oh, so sweet and oh, so tasty. And the texture is like a spoon bread. So it's don't turn off. Don't do, I say spoon bread. I know it's not appetizing when I say that. But believe me, you will not be able to get enough of it. So keep watching. In this bowl, we have 2/3 cups of mesa, a half a cup of cornmeal, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to set your oven to 350 degrees. And as you see, I have everything in one bowl right now. And all I'm going to do is mix those dry ingredients together. Now, just to let you know that that mesa harina is corn flour. It is not oatmeal. It is not cornmeal. I almost got oatmeal on the brain. But it is not cornmeal. So you do want to remember that it is a totally different product. And let me I got a little hard sugar in here. Let me get the bag for you so you can see. It is corn flour. Of course, you can use any brand that you would like. And on the bottom it tells you for tortillas, tamales, pupusas, empanadas. So you know you got the right one. And now I'm chopping up my frozen super sweet corn. Of course, you can use a chopper or a blender to get that to the consistency that you like. Also, if you don't want to do this, you can omit the milk and just use a can of cream sweet corn. So hopefully you guys can see this. Let's see. Now I haven't started mixing it yet. So everything is in this bowl except one thing. The star of the show, or the corn is the star. This is the co-star. All right, maybe they're on the same equal level, but I'm gonna pour that into that bowl here. And it's so simple. Just remember, you do not have to grease your bowl at all because there's a lot of butter in here, and that's a cup of butter. There's a cup of butter in this dish here. No eggs are needed. And look, there's many different variations of this. And the vanilla, of course, and the butter extract is optional. So you're just going to mix it until it's incorporated. Now we're just going to add it. Now, of course, I probably should have put it in a 9 by 9 inch bowl, so this might cook quick. I mean, a 13 by 9 inch pan, because it's kind of shallow. It's not going to rise up a lot because that's not the nature of this dish. Good people, it's a 9 by 9 inch pan. I've just taken my Mexican corn cake out the oven, and I'll let you see in a minute how it looks once it cools down. As you can see, I've already taken it out. And I know it's not the prettiest of things, but I will tell you it tastes oh so good. It's delicious. Put a little touch of sour cream. I know what you're thinking, sour cream on top of a sweet cake. It works. It definitely works. And you gotta try it for yourself. So look, let me know if you tried this. Let me know what you think about the sour cream on the sweet corn cake. This really is a dangerous cake. Because you could eat the whole thing, and it's light, it's buttery, the texture is just wonderful. I mean, you really could go through this. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, okay, if you haven't seen my Taco Tuesday taco bake, you can go ahead and click on that that icon to take you to that Taco Tuesday taco bake. It pairs wonderfully well together. So hopefully you'll try it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.